Screen printing and water-based inks go far beyond just printing on a t-shirt. In this series, we're going to take a look at a few different things you can print using water-based inks, starting with paper prints and posters. When you're printing on paper, it's really important to use a fine mesh screen in order to get all the details, especially for smaller designs like this postcard. I'm going to be using a tabletop setup with hinges for these prints. Make sure to add a very light amount of platen adhesive so your paper doesn't lift up when you lift the screen. I'll start with the lighter color and then move on to the darks. This print is only 2 colors, so it should be pretty simple. Since paper doesn't stretch or move around like fabric does, we can print the first color, let it dry, and then move on to the second color. If I were printing multiple copies of the same design, I could print all the copies of the first color, clean up the first screen, then print the second color, and we're done. Water-based inks are great for posters since they don't need to be cured with heat once they're on the paper. And unlike plastisol inks, they soak up into the paper fibers, making them a great choice for highly detailed artwork, which is sometimes found on posters. So if you're ready to start printing posters, cards, or any other paper product, head over to our website to find some great water-based screen printing options. And tune in for the next video of this series where we'll print on a denim jacket.